Welcome to English Language Academy. Title: The Hidden Path. Chapter 1. The Village and the Woods. In a quiet village called Greenfield, there lived a boy named Liam. He was 12 years old, with bright blue eyes and a love for adventure. Liam liked to explore the fields, climb trees, and find hidden places where no one else dared to go. One sunny afternoon, Liam stood at the edge of the village, looking into the dark forest that surrounded their home. The villagers often spoke of the forest in whispers, saying it was full of secrets and dangers. No one ever went too far in, and the old stories told of a hidden path that led to a magical place beyond the trees. Liam's best friend, Maya, stood beside him. Maya was the same age as Liam, but was very different. She liked reading books and drawing pictures rather than running around in the woods. Maya was smart and careful, always thinking before she acted. "Liam, are you sure we should be here?" Maya asked, her eyes wide as she stared into the forest. "You know the stories. People say the woods are enchanted." "Come on, Maya. Don't you want to see if the stories are true?" Liam grinned, his excitement shining in his eyes. "What if we find the hidden path? What if there really is a magical land on the other side?" Maya hesitated. "My grandma says the hidden path only appears to those who are brave and kind," she said. "And besides, it could be dangerous." Liam laughed. "We're brave, and we can be kind too. Let's just take a look." "We won't go too far." As they stepped into the forest, the trees seemed to close in around them, their leaves whispering in the wind. The sunlight barely reached the ground, and strange shadows danced on the path. But Liam felt a thrill of adventure in his heart. This was what he had always dreamed of. They walked deeper into the woods, and just when Maya was about to suggest turning back, something caught Liam's eye. There, hidden behind a curtain of vines, was a narrow path that seemed to shimmer in the dim light. "Look, Maya, it's the hidden path," Liam exclaimed. Maya's eyes widened. "It's real," she whispered. "But how come no one else has seen it before?" "Maybe it only appears to people like us," Liam said with a grin. "Come on, let's follow it." Chapter 2. The Strange Creatures. Liam and Maya stepped onto the hidden path, and at that moment they felt a cool breeze blow past them. The air seemed fresher, filled with a sweet scent of flowers they had never smelled before. The trees around them changed, becoming taller and more colorful. As they walked, they saw creatures they had never seen in the village. Small animals with fur that glowed like the moon and birds with feathers like rainbows watched them curiously. One little creature, with big eyes and a tail that sparkled like stars, hopped in front of them. "Hello there," Liam said to the creature, kneeling down. "What are you?" The creature blinked, and then, to their surprise, it spoke. "I am a star jumper," it said in a soft voice. "Are you here to save the hidden land?" Maya gasped. "Save the hidden land? What do you mean?" "The hidden land is in trouble," the star jumper said. A darkness is spreading, and only those who believe in friendship and goodness can stop it. Liam looked at Maya with wide eyes. I think we've found our adventure, he said. We have to help. Chapter 3. Elder Rowan's Warning. The hidden path led them to a clearing where an old, wise-looking man stood. He had a long beard and eyes that seemed to hold the secrets of the forest. This was Elder Rowan, the guardian of the hidden land. Welcome, young travelers, Elder Rowan said in a deep, gentle voice. I see you have found the hidden path. Only those with pure hearts and brave souls can see it. We want to help, Liam said eagerly. The Star Jumper told us about the darkness in the hidden land. What can we do? Elder Rowan nodded. The darkness is caused by a forgotten curse. It grows stronger each day, and soon it will cover the hidden land completely. But there is hope. The two of you might be the ones to break the curse. Maya's face turned serious. But how can we do that? We're just kids. You are more than you know, Elder Rowan said with a smile. Your friendship and courage are the key. You must journey to the heart of the hidden land and face the guardian. Only then will you find the way to lift the curse. Chapter 4. Facing the Guardian. The path became steeper and more twisted as Liam and Maya moved deeper into the hidden land. They walked for what seemed like hours, meeting friendly creatures who gave them advice and magical items to help on their journey. Finally, they reached a great stone archway covered in vines. Beyond the archway stood the Guardian, a creature larger than anything they had ever seen. It had the body of a lion, wings of an eagle, and eyes that glowed with an ancient light. Who dares to enter the heart of the hidden land? The Guardian roared. Its voice was like thunder. We do, Liam said, his voice shaking but steady. We are here to lift the curse. The Guardian stared at them for a long moment. Only those who are true of heart can break the curse, it said. You must prove your worth. Chapter 5. The Test of Friendship. The Guardian set a challenge for them. Liam and Maya had to find a way to light a dark cave using only their wits and their belief in each other. As they worked together, Liam's bravery and Maya's clever ideas combined to make the light shine bright. You have passed the test, the Guardian said, nodding in approval. You have shown that true friendship and courage can light the darkest of places. Chapter 6. Breaking the Curse. With the Guardian's blessing, Liam and Maya reached the heart of the hidden land, where they found a tall tree with twisted branches. The tree was covered in black vines, the source of the darkness. Together, they held hands and thought of all the good things in their lives, their friendship, their love for their village, and their hope for a brighter world. As they did, a soft glow began to shine from their hearts, spreading to the tree. The black vines began to wither, and light burst from the tree's branches, driving away the darkness. The curse was broken. Chapter 7. Return to the village. When they returned to Greenfield, the hidden path disappeared behind them. But Liam and Maya knew it would always be there, waiting for the next brave souls. They told the villagers about their journey, but some people didn't believe them. That didn't matter to Liam and Maya. They knew the truth. They had found the hidden path, saved the hidden land, and discovered that the greatest magic of all was the power of friendship. Thanks for watching English Language Academy. Subscribe now.